These simple 4 ChatGPT prompts will help you to learn any language fast. Whether you're a beginner or looking to advance your language skills, this video is packed with tips to accelerate your language learning. First, what are ChatGPT prompts? ChatGPT prompts are instructions that you enter in ChatGPT or any other artificial intelligence interface to get your answers. Let's start with prompt number 1. I want to learn English. Ask me questions so I can give you a better idea of my English level and my needs. To ensure you can tailor your responses accordingly. ChatGPT will ask you some questions to build your profile. You have to answer all of them. I'll start answering all the questions that ChatGPT asked me. First one is my current level of English. Just for the sake of this example, I will say that my level is a beginner. Also, I will mention that why I want to learn, what I'm gonna do with it. I want to watch movies in English and communicate with people from different countries. I will say that I'm not so confident speaking English and I have a hard time expressing myself and I need some more vocabulary. I will mention my strengths and weaknesses. And the most important thing is I will mention my goals, which is to be fluent in English. You can also mention what exactly you are doing and how you learn your language. For example, for me, I will mention that I'm using Duolingo to learn some vocabulary. As you can see, ChatGPT generates a response that is based on my level and my goal, and even mentions what I need to do for speaking, for reading and writing, and exactly how I need to watch movies and other videos, what resources I can use. And one of the most important things is consistency and practice. Next, we have prompt number 2. Please take note of my profile so that all future conversations can be based on these details. ChatGPT will give you a summary of your profile, which is, for me, in my case, it is my current level is a beginner, my goals, exactly what I want to do, why I want to learn English, and the challenges, what are my challenges, and my current practice and my current goal. Next, we have prompt number 3. I will ask ChatGPT to create a structured weekly curriculum to help me achieve my goals. ChatGPT will build a curriculum based on your profile. If it asks you for the time frame, it will build it accordingly. Otherwise, you will have to add the time frame for the curriculum. As you can see, ChatGPT generated a response pretty quick. ChatGPT will give me a curriculum what exactly I need to do every day, and not only every day, what I need to do in the morning, afternoon, and in the evening. Since day 1, day 2, and we have 7 days, so no days off. No days off, guys. And at the end of the curriculum, ChatGPT will give me some tips for success. How can I improve my language skills? Instead of 1-week curriculum, I decided to have a 4-week curriculum. And as you can see, ChatGPT generates a 4-week curriculum, exactly what I need to do since day 1 and until end of week 4. Final prompt number 4. I will ask ChatGPT to start some lessons with me, and I will mention that currently I'm on week 1, day 1 of my curriculum. ChatGPT gives me exactly what I need to learn on my day 1, week number 1. What vocabulary I need to know, what questions I need to answer, it's just great. And ChatGPT gives me some homework. It even asks me to choose a movie or a TV show in English with subtitles. And out of curiosity, I'll ask ChatGPT to give me a lesson for day 2 on week number 1. And as you can see, ChatGPT generates a response. What exactly I need to do for my day 1? You can launch ChatGPT Voice to follow the given plan and practice daily. And there you have it, folks. Learning a language doesn't have to be that difficult. With ChatGPT prompts, you have a new way to learn a language and improve your language skills at your own pace. But remember, Consistency is the key. Enjoy these prompts and let me know in the comment section down below how these prompts are working for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye.